Day 26, letting go.
Hey there guys, this is Faith Hunter and welcome to day 26 of our 30-day meditation challenge on Do You Yoga. Today's meditation is about simply letting go. Letting go of your thoughts, letting go of crazy energy, just letting go of all the crap that is like flooding our minds, our hearts, and our bodies and keeping us trapped. So, come into a comfortable seat. Make sure that you grab a blanket or a pillow, place it underneath those hips. If you need to, you can always sit up against the wall to support yourself. Close your eyes. Float the palms facing up so the backs of your hands are on your knees. And you're going to extend your arms forward just a little bit so that your fingertips are kind of releasing towards the floor. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Deep breath in through your nose. Exhale out of your mouth. One more. Deep breath in through the nose and exhale out of the mouth. Just allow those fingers to relax and of course again, release them towards the earth. The arms are almost straight but not quite. The shoulders are releasing and relaxing down. And I'd just like for you to just focus on the breath for a few moments. Be in the present moment. Be with the breath. Feel the spine elongate with each inhalation, and then as you exhale, the shoulders release and soften away from your ears. So today, we're just going to focus on the breath coming in through the nose and releasing it out of the mouth, but very slow and light. As you take the breath in, feel everything fill up in the entire body, and then as you exhale out of the mouth, feel it releasing out through your fingertips. Breathing in, out through the fingertips. Just take a few more like that. In through your nose. Exhale out of your mouth. You're going to continue to kind of go with that movement of the breath in through your nose and out slowly through your mouth for the entire meditation. As you pause here in your seated cross-legged position, feel all of your daily stresses release out of your hands. As the breath lets go, you feel it rolling down your arms, out through your palms, through your fingertips, into the earth. The next few breaths, as you breathe in, nourish the body, nourish the mind, and as you exhale, let go of any negative thoughts that you may have around friends or family. Deep breath in, exhale, just let it go. There's no need for disagreement or holding on. Just let it go. Breathe in, and as you exhale, release all of your personal stress those doubts, those insecurities, those things that are holding you back from being your true self. Breathing in, exhale, let it go. Another deep breath in. Whatever you may be holding on to, whatever you're personally attached to, whatever stress or worries are clouding your mind, exhale, let them go. Next breath, begin to slowly bring your palms together. Rub your hands, create a little warmth and heat. And then take your palms, place them over your eyes, allow some of that heat to seep in. And release the hands, let them fall. Open the eyes. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me for this letting go meditation, and I will see you on tomorrow.